I'm highly interested in the simulation of composite materials because it allows us to understand how the material behaves in different applications. The workshop was very insightful, was very helpful.
This workshop was a great opportunity for us to get familiar with modeling tools, specifically Ansys, and understand the theoretical background that goes behind it. It was also an opportunity to understand how it's used in industry applications, and we hope to see this workshop come again in the future.
Theories provided in the workshop provide the fundamental mechanical behavior of composite materials, and they provide insight to the differences and similarities between the composites and the more well-known homogeneous materials. The analysis that Ansys provides insight to the FEA modeling of composite materials, which is going to be very beneficial to our company.
We learned a lot and much appreciation for the university for basically facilitating such a workshop. We are looking forward to have a more engagement and more collaboration between PDO, KFUPM, Aramco, and also our Oman University. Thanks.
And I'm grateful for the university for offering this great opportunity not only to learn finite element using Ansys, but also to meet professionals from the field and to see what it's like to learn from a professional and a practical point of view, not only as an academic.